Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and today I'm bringing to you a tip of cost of goods sold, which is a cash flow lever. Now, cost of goods sold is also sometimes called cost of sales, and it actually contributes to not only the profit of your business but also your cash flow. And we sometimes call the cost of sales a variable cost of the business because it varies up and down with how much you sell. So these are the things that you use, say the resources that you use directly to make a product in your business. And our first tip is to actually look for efficiencies in the use of materials. So when you have a business that is a product-based business, you use materials in the manufacture of your products, so you could actually look for efficiencies in creating these. However, if you have a service-based business, you don't necessarily have materials that you use within your business. So in that way, we tend to think more that using materials efficiently is much more about a product-based business, and using labour more efficiently is much more a service-based business. But you may actually be looking for things in a service-based business that enable that to happen more smoothly. So here's tip number one: look for efficiencies in the use of materials in your product-based business.